Alright, today, just have some kind of like random little bits of work I wanted to do. I'm going to add, a small little animation on the bushes. And then there's some enemies, that I need to fix. There's a few bugs that just reorganized a lot of the code, so there's some stuff broken there, so it'll just kind of be like, if a bug pops up, I'll fix it. Not too much direction for the stream today, but yeah, I wanted to stream a little bit. There's enough stuff to work on. The first thing I'm gonna do is add a like small little dirt animation when you pick up a bush, just to I feel like that'll look nice, kind of like the dirt's falling off the roots, instead of it just being like a clean pickup. When there's a final sound effect with it, it'll all come together really well, I think. So that shouldn't be too hard. Because I already have a small animation I made. For when an object burns up completely while you're holding it, there's like some ash that falls. So I'll probably just like go from there, and shouldn't be difficult at all. How's it going, Oren? Good morning. See, this ash animation looks like this. I'm doing pretty well. Just starting to get some work going. Right, first off, I need to change this brown. Probably make it slightly... The options are to keep it thin and add multiple instances of it. I do that. A few different versions. See, I haven't used this in a while. I need to find where the color is. There's a color. Probably wouldn't be noticeable, but I'll use the game palette colors. We got 41, 16, 8. Doesn't work. It's 0. So there's... I went it backwards. Did this one go back? Looks like it's on additive. Stuff you gotta do today, yep. Don't we all? Such is life. Blend mode normal. Let's get a lighter color. I like this too. Not that much. Something like that. Looks good. I think there, I'm gonna save this. I think there's gonna be our dirt. Just exporting some random variations. That one's nice. Three should be enough. Probably don't need this anymore. See, it's all the same size. It's good. those over, and then get them set up in the code. It's 91 divided by 7. It looks like 1325. It's our grid. 1325. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 29. Alright. Cool. I think that's our animation. I need to figure out how to place it on a bush when you pick it up. Positioning's a little off on this too. Shadow gets put right. Not seeing where the bush is going. Going up from what it originally was. Which looks good if you're right in front of it, but... Alright, anyway, that's not what I'm here for right now. I guess it makes sense for the dirt to be attached to the bush relative to the bush position. I think it shouldn't be parented though, because the bush is moving, the dirt will continue to fall. Let's just do this. I'll make the text a little bigger for stream. It's gonna be so this will be every frame. Just try one per frame while it's being picked up, and then I'll need a let me just do the timer here. Do an animated sprite. Okay, so we can do slow. Need to find how to position this based on how the parenting is for the push sprites. Oh, just moving the whole object. Okay. The separate one. I think that might work fine. That for now, then I'll adjust it later. I think that's start complete. Good. So we'll create a dirt. Say dirt frames is incremented. Hard code that for now. No longer dropping dirt. Alright, let's see what happens. See if that did anything. There's dirt. It's there. Like behind the bush. Oh yeah, because it's centered on 25 height. Positioned right. I want it in front. Y should be 20. So that X should be center plus range from -6 to +6. See what that looks like. Like how to make this look good, because it's like it's such a like a kind of choppy quick pickup. Speed of the dirt falling doesn't match. Bush. Already one. We'll do a speed multiplier on the animation, which is just a hacky way to make it skip every frame, every other frame. Do that, so not move it down as much. And start it behind the bush. And maybe less dirt too. too bad. Just needs less. The dirt that falls in the middle of the air is a little weird. Might need just like smaller. Shorter animations like that. It doesn't override them. to update the animations. Well, all right. There we go. It's 6 by 6. Still slow, I can speed that up. Looks pretty good. Alright, we'll keep that. And then adjust the position of the bush. So like you have like a hitbox to determine if you can pick up an object or not. Kinda guess it needs to snap to directly in front of you. First frame, which I don't think I'm doing. So like right here. Setting the origin, which is based on what the animation's based on as you're picking it up, but I think I want to reset the position as well. Do this. Which this setting would have to be adjusted if there's like different sized characters picking up the object. Just be a little extra work. It won't be difficult work. So as soon as you start to pick up an object, we'll reset the location of the object to put it right in front of you. It's guessing for back the E chord. Left. that's all the code I need. I just need to tweak the positioning, I'm sure. Yeah, that looks better. It like snaps to in front of her. Looks like a little lower, maybe? Maybe it needs to be moved up. 3. Right with the boxes as well. Hope I don't have to do different positions for different objects. I'll adjust the up and down. And right look pretty good. Like that. Up isn't as big of a deal. But it does go too far. Probably be like 12. Pretty good. Let's see what the boxes are. Good. Awesome. That looks better. Cool. That is the dirt effect done. Next up, we have, occasionally you'll have an NPC following you, including at the very beginning of the game. It doesn't fight, it's just someone you're taking somewhere usually. And I just need to add, I haven't gotten around to it, I need to add some code to have him run. He gets left behind. He's got like his walk speed, but if you dodge, you should start running to catch up. Which I already have code for with Barry the dog, so it shouldn't be really any problem. Just need to figure out where to look for that. This is it. Okay, so it does start running, it's just not very fast. Targets. I'm not supposed to see targets. Didn't affect anything. actually want code for this at some point to have the followers kind of like run away from enemies instead of just ignore them completely. So it's fine for now. Start running. That's right. Okay, so Graves is run at 7. Just need a special one for him. Oh, I do have this already. Idle walk. Smart. Glad I did that. Idle. There we go. He's running now. I like it. I like his hat grabbing. He needs a shadow. I have a shadow for him. There we go. Haven't tested off, haven't tested cliff jumps in a while. See if they're broken. It's broken for him. Let's check. Half work there. Yike, doesn't even try. Also, we got some bugs there, so let's look at that. See how does run working now? Probably happens with every character. Like, doesn't even try to follow. I think back when my follow code was simpler, it's worked better. Now they're like immediately trying to pathfind around or something. Actually not sure what's going on. I think it's a very small detail. What's up, Cool D? How's it going? Haven't seen you in a while. Currently trying to fix my pathfinding code. It does. This is Order of Athanor. Name was just kind of soft announced. I still need to write more about it once I get some assets finished. But that is gonna be the name. This is right. Percent-wise, very low. I guess like technically it'd be like released to be able to play. Hopefully next year. Game dev takes a long time. Nezu? Really enjoyed Enchanted Cave? Awesome. Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Currently working on a much larger action RPG. but definitely going back to more RPG elements on this current project. Yeah, you probably saw a bit on Twitter if you follow me there. I post updates on Twitter and in Discord if you're in there. I haven't posted a whole lot on my website lately, but I will when I get a larger update to announce. Probably Twitter. Most likely. A few months you get a nostalgic mood, see what devs of Flash games are up to. Yeah, back when, like right after Flash games were really popular, a lot of the devs went to mobile games. That was like when mobile games became popular, that kind of killed Flash games. So a lot of them went there, and then if it was what the developer wanted to do, they might have moved to Steam or something as well. But yeah, I feel like Flash games for a lot were just like a fun hobby. You got a wide mix of people doing it for fun and people doing it commercially and trying to make money from it. This is C# with Unity. Unity's fine. My strategy is honestly just to use whatever's like has the quickest updates to like, I don't know, I don't develop for mobile anymore much, so it's not as important, but I've used a lot smaller projects before to develop games, and it's when there's a bug with the software, you're like more or less on your own with it, whereas Unity, important bugs get fixed quickly. Smaller bugs might go unfixed, but there'll be workarounds. So what is going on here? Because this used to not happen. All I need is for her to walk into the cliff, and then there's collision code that will make her automatically jump. She like quickly gives up. The animation to walk plays, which is weird. These are all out of order. I need to fix that. Clean that up at some point. Unity has a free version. There's some like limitations on it though. So then the next leg up is Unity Plus, which is like $4.50 a year, which is what I use. It's gotta be somewhere in here. Gonna be that, probably. Let's do... that'll be fine. I think the 100K threshold, or whatever the number is, I think that applies to even the paid subscription. If you make a lot of money, they want a cut of it, apparently, or something. Maybe. I might be wrong on that, actually. Maybe that is just the free. I feel like I wouldn't use it if that was the case. Unless the threshold's like $1 million or something. It might be. Okay, so it's correct with that. No correct path, so then by default the AI goes to the breadcrumbs, which are just little positions that have every character drop. Why do I have a crumbs copy? That's kind of weird. The 100K cap was free version. Gotcha, yeah. That sounds right. I wonder if there's... if this is empty, I think that might be right. I hope it is. That would be an easy fix, probably. Good. It's empty. That means I'm just not dropping breadcrumbs. Which is false. Did I ever set it? Oh, it should be. Single character is true. Not jumping. Plus is 200K cap. Pro is no cap. Yeah. They end up changing stuff every few years as well. I wonder if this might not even get called. No, it is. Oh, it's not. Go. There we go. There we go. That's what I want. Could honestly like tweak the code so that the follower doesn't take as long to jump. I'm trying to think how I'd do that. It's by default like there's like collision on the cliff, so it's not an instant cliff or an instant jump. If you walk against it for like a third of a second, then you jump. By default, it's the same way for the follower, but that's unnecessary if they're following. They should just jump immediately. I'm trying to think how the best way to adjust that would be. I don't want to just make it always instant for followers, because they might accidentally jump off a cliff at some point. I might like disable the delay as soon as the player you're controlling jumps. Disable the delay for all the followers until they jump and then reset the delay. You could possibly do something potentially a little weird with a lot of followers and like a series of quick jumps. But I think it'll be fine. Even then, I don't think it won't be a big deal. So just push check and map. Be a component. We'll add a property on the push check, which is also cliff check. also have like a timer on it too. Make it a time. Say instant jump time. In the game update. Let's decrease it. And here, if time has reached the activation time or instant jump time is greater than 0, immediately jump. Or push, apparently. Then I need jump off cliff. Say if this character is being controlled, then all following characters. For every follower, then we will set that. And we'll keep it private. Do like 5 seconds. Also, if they jump, set that to 0. So if instant jump time's above 0, we'll jump immediately. Reset to 0. This is how we turn it on here. Let's see what happens there. I think that was quicker. Yeah. Cool. Can't really. It's too smart to get caught up in the corner. Cool. I think that works. Even test it out with a bunch of characters. Ooh, Dr. Graves does not know how to jump. Unfortunate. Get out of here. Rigid body. I just put that on moving object. Well, broke there. That's what I wanted to do. I didn't like it before. Follower. Alright, are you happy now? There we go. Kind of funny how they're programmed to follow specifically just the next person in line. They ignore the other group. If that becomes like an actual weird problem, I can fix that, but I think it's fine for now. A lot of characters to follow you. Awesome. Jumping's working. Perfect. The last thing on the list today was to finish or fix/finish my goblin character, since I reorganized a lot of code with enemies and some other classes. I need to update the goblin character. Also, I think do a few more tweaks with him. So let's get rid of all these followers. We don't need them. Let's add a fun little goblin that throws things at you. Right now he's probably broken. I haven't tested him in a while, and I changed a bunch of stuff. Yeah, he's definitely broken. Object, enemies, goblin. Things being thrown at a player doesn't sound fun unless they are useful. Well, you can throw things back at them as well. I think at some point I'll have enemies being able to throw other enemies too. That'd be fun. I'll have like specific enemies that kind of like seek out objects to throw. Yeah, it's an AI, it's right there. But not in awake. Oh, this is something else. That's what. Quite a little bit of Noita. One of the foes will throw potions. They range from very likely to kill ASAP to just some damage to neutral, but the blasts don't always break. A careful player can use it to get potions. That's pretty cool. Currently, you can throw boxes and bushes is all I have planned, but I want to throw like rocks and anything. Some things won't break, so you could throw stuff back too. I'd like, this isn't meant to be like a super sandbox type of game, but it'll have some like sandbox elements of different interactions. Alright, so he's kind of trying to do stuff. He's like sliding around a lot. So we got some bugs, we got some work to do. Let's see. A lot of this is just gonna be some adjustments here. Velocity. What's that? Can I use that? I use it in the sphere. It's this guy. Forgot I made a separate class for him. This is my most complicated enemy so far. There are explosive boxes, I'll show you one. And fire, and there'll be some other, probably some other elemental effects as well. I'll show you some of the stuff that's here. Oh, this red box is explosive, so. And the fire will spread to the burnable stuff. You can cast a little fire spell. There's some adjustments to do with how different enemies act when they're on fire. Broken. But yeah, we'll have several different interactions. Things like that. Let's see. First thing wrong with this guy. What is this? I guess I just kind of halfway done stuff here. I have. Let's see. Override. AI game update. Pick up a hero. And this guy. Get rid of that. That would be interesting if some enemies get stronger. It's a possibility. Alright, I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do here. I did a giant overhaul on the enemy code structure. Object. I'm gonna have that over here. No. Make almost anything happen, even if a lot isn't practical. Yeah, it's true. The idea is to make a fun game after all, so sometimes you don't want to get too caught up in just strictly practical stuff, because a lot of games are fun. If you can just make it fun to just run around and do stuff that's not directly related to the story. I want people to like enjoy the combat in this game like on its own, and it not just be like a means to advance the story. Some games even skip all but a tiny bit of story. Yeah, that's true as well. This game will actually be my first game I've made that's very story heavy. It's a big change for me, but it's been fun to work on. There's been a lot of writing done behind the scenes. Got a co-writer helping me out as well. It's been great. So we got a lot of fun characters and fun events, scripts in the work. Just that in a different way. Here. Eager to give this a spin? Awesome. I'm glad to hear it. I'll be picking up like the marketing on it, posting more often. As I get enough assets done for a major announcement so I can detail a lot of exciting details about the game. Alright, I just need to go through. Look at all this. Kind of a big change because it'll be a good change. It's just a lot of work. It did have like the character you control, the playable character class, you can pick up and throw objects. And in addition, this enemy, a throwing enemy class that can pick up and throw. And I was doing the pick up and throw code separately. But with my new method, they extend the same class, so they share the same pick up and throw code, which is a much nicer way of doing it. I just need to rewrite a lot of this stuff. A weird way to do it. have to go. Nice to stop by. Nice to see you. Thanks for dropping by. Always nice to chat with people while I'm working. That's what I stream for. Back to that later. Public. Need to fix my state here. So I have aggro and unaggro by default on every enemy. Guess it's fine. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more tea. What's up, Desert? Like what you've seen in the game so far, is the goblin carrying the box an ally or an enemy? He is an enemy. He's the first of probably several characters who will be able to pick up and throw boxes at you. Boxes or bushes or rocks or whatever is laying around, whatever throwable object. All objects that you, the character, can also throw. So it could be a little hectic. I've had it like where he throws an explosive box a little too close to himself and blows himself up, which is funny. That's the type of stuff I want to happen. Throw other people, that is also a good idea. Welcome in, Solarn. I think I kind of want to have like some enemy designs where like a bigger enemy throws a smaller enemy at you. That'd be fun. Haven't seen enemies with the ability to throw items like players. That's also a possibility. This particular goblin's a little too weak, but that could be a cool like boss attack. For sure. Alright, let's see if we have anything at all. It's a mess currently as I'm reorganizing a lot of the code. See what kind of wacky bugs we got going on. He's just ice skating currently, and pretty broken. I haven't set those animations. Should be an easy fix. Let's copy that over from, let's see, what do you have? Idle walk. Spider. Idle. Do this. Should appease Unity here. Bossberry tries to Mario 64 you and toss you off of a cliff. That might be OP, but also fun, potentially. Or you can throw enemies off the cliff as well. I'd be down for that. Alright, now he's just treadmilling, which is also not what you want. Let's see here. So this should be going. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, I mean, that's working now. Like the random movement when he's unaggroed. That's correct. Good. That makes sense. And then he gets scared and just freezes when he sees you. So aggro's turned on. Maybe state is nothing. Let's do this. Oh, I need this. That's it. And then I'll set this anyway. Okay. Let's see how this turns out. Right. It's walking around. Okay. So that should go here, and it should be... This updates the throwing enemy AI, which has its own state. Start throw mode. Set, here's what you, what I need. Where is this? Why do I have this? That's so dumb. Because this happens every frame, so it's gonna be like on frame 1 or 2, maybe 3. I feel like that was something old. I think what I need is my new setup. Get to delete a bunch of stuff, which is always fun. Let's see, what did I just copy? Determine attack. That's set to aggro. Right here, set state. Open throw. Determined attacks. That way, if you're really close, he just runs up and stabs you, but that was temporary. That's to make it so that he always goes to throw. That's to test. This should do something. Alright, there we go. Bug. Can we carry walk right? Very idle. Link these guys up. There we go. I got some speed adjustments to make. He is working now. And like even before the big reorganization, he was unfinished. So just like stuff like that, when I kill him, he needs to drop the object and unaggro while he's holding the object. There's several edge cases I need to do. There doesn't appear to be any major fundamental bugs now. I want to make sure his melee mode is still working. So here, make it so that he always goes to melee. That has several parts to it as well. Need to work on his speed. I'm surprised this worked. Oh, I got a bunch of stuff to fix. Oh, not really. The areas I'm planning to include could be anything. I know that sounds vague, but there'll be a very wide variety of different environments for sure. The world itself that it takes place in is will be pretty dynamic. I'll be able to write more about that with an update. Sure, I get enough stuff together. Yeah, there'll be plenty of unique stuff. No worries there. What kind of areas are your favorites in like an action RPG? That'd be valuable information for me to know. Love deserts, okay, yeah. That's definitely a possibility. I think deserts are cool. They can be a little bit of a challenge to make interesting, but gonna have to get creative with it, I'm sure. I really like kind of like wasteland environments. Kind of loosely related to the deserts. You don't really see those much aside from like apocalyptic environments. Yeah, wastelands are cool. Mix in like poison elemental stuff with them. Bunch of bones sticking out of the ground, it's always fun. Alright, I need to just try some stuff, I think, here. This happens there. Happens after it's already updated. Should be in like have a movement. Yeah, this should be maybe this. It's so weird, like the way I had it written to pick up an object, I just set this boolean to true and then let another class then actually pick up the object. Carrying object. It's just setting it. The only time we test it is to actually, oh no, that's, we'll do that, this, not picking up. That. Enemy there. What do I call the parent? I guess it's like removed. That makes sense. Okay, I just need to add another one. Sorry, just mostly talking to myself here. Oh no, I have it right here. Let's see it. Throwing enemy AI. Yeah, so what's wrong with this? Inaccessible. Okay, that's an easy fix. Start pickup. Back to here. Look for object. So that sets picking up to true. That. See if it still works to some extent. Need to adjust his speed. That. He just froze. I thought it was a bug, but he just froze. Pick up, and then... Oh, now he does. No, he's just broken. Go. And then he's frozen there. Second. They started melee for some reason. Why did they start? That's because I was too close. It says it right there. Too close to go to throw mode, gonna melee. And then the second one breaks. So something's just not getting reset. See if I can see what it is on the object. Well, this one might be working. So weird. It says he's picking up. As his animation stopped, he went to the walking animation for some reason. So this is probably still firing. But just something else is setting his walk animation before it should be set. Right. Here we go, this doesn't get set to false anywhere. walking towards target. That might fix it. Final Fantasy VIII's probably one of your favorite OSTs. Yeah, that's a little, it's got a lot of nice tunes to it. It's a little less popular than some of the other ones, slightly, but definitely has some cool music. I think I fixed it. Need to adjust his hair is like clipping through. I think that's just on the editor though. I need to adjust the height. As mentioned quite a while back. This is Goblin the Gardener clearing the weeds. Very forcefully, very angrily. I need... Yeah, it doesn't clip through on the actual game. Grab that last bush, please. Need to adjust his speed too. Keep saying that. Alright, I need the object to be -99. Be like 8 lower. I'm just going to add a variable here. Carried object. Default 32, that's good for our characters. And then on the goblin, when he starts up, we'll just say it was just hard-coded, so we'll do that. Should fix it. Definitely lower. A little offset in the left and right. Be shifted forward a little bit. Maybe it's a little too low too. Okay, these little offsets are throwing. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that works. Looks good on the left and right. Pretty good on the up and down too. I'd like to see him catch grab a box. Stop picking up all the bushes. Oh man. Got him, but like, his code still picks him up. Let's grab a box. Okay, it's a little low maybe, but honestly not too bad. It's fine, it's fine. Apparently he can materialize bushes. Gotta cut him though. So that's a problem. But probably easy to fix. Never. Oh no, it happens there. What was I gonna do? To fix the speed, I'll just do that now. And there's something else. I think this gets used maybe. never even set walk speed. That's why. So I was just going with the default 30. That should fix it. We'll see you work on Order of Athenor and learn more about your plans for the game. Have to head out. Thanks for stopping by, Desert. Always nice to chat with people here. Hope you have a good day. Low speed, very speed. Alright, he should be significantly speedier now. Cool, yeah, thanks for dropping by. Oh yeah, he's moving now. He slows. He was like, the way I had it bugged was he sped up slightly when he picked up something. But now it's correct. Now he's marching around at good speed and then slowing down when he's holding something. Alright, I need to do this. I need to fix the bug where he's picking up bushes that were broken. The issue is the bush doesn't get removed completely. It leaves like a little stump when you cut it. But the AI was still thinking it was able to be picked up. Can be picked up. Do this. Carryable. I think I just never set that on the bush after I cut it. Is that carried too? Yeah, good. Carryable. It's on by default, but cuttable, throwable plant. Override break. Say carryable is false after it's broken. Design carryable controller. I think that is all I need there. Alright, that one is okay. And now he's running away to find actual bushes to pick up. Something's weird there. Melee started, but just kinda not wanting to stab me. Oh, it's like a loop. So it's doing melee started over and over again. No object in range, right? And start melee mode, yeah. Stop carry, stop carry. Should be idle. Row. Maybe that'll fix. Let's see. I think it happened because he was like searching for the last object to throw and then got it, so he got confused. Oh no, he's still doing it again. So I need... Doesn't make sense. No state. have this listed out whenever the state changes. It tells it's idle, and then it says called when it's not idle. Doesn't make any sense. I have two different ones. What's going on here? This is throwing enemy. This is on throwing enemy, okay. Enemies. I need this. Grow state. So I was close. There we go. Alright, he's stabbing now. Good. Some adjustments to be made with the attack, so he's a little more productive. There he is. But that'll be it for today. We got some good stuff done. One more work on the goblin. We got the dirt on the bushes. Got the running and the jumping off cliffs for your followers working correctly. So that's all good. I'll probably stream again Monday. Will be my next stream. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you later.